Bolsonaro experiencing COVID-19 symptoms, says CNN Brazil.
Here's a summary of the article.
Results of Brazilian president's coronavirus test expected on Tuesday. Brazilian President Jair Bolsonaro, experiencing a fever consistent with COVID-19 symptoms. Brazilian President Jair Bolsonaro has COVID-19 symptoms, including a 38-degree fever, according to CNN Brazil. Results from Mr. Bolsonaro's COVID-19 test, administered at the Hospital das Forças Armadas in Brasília, are expected on Tuesday. Mr. Bolsonaro told supporters outside the presidential palace that he had just visited the hospital and been tested for the virus, adding that an exam had shown his lungs clean. CNN Brazil and newspaper Estado de São Paulo reported that he had symptoms of the disease. The president's office did not immediately respond to a request for comment.
This post received a score of 44,000, with an upvote ratio of 95%. Here are the top comments in response to this article.
Well, as a Brazilian, I hope this will stop him saying that coronavirus is a little flu, because people are getting crazy in here.
I think there are only two possible outcomes to this: it will kill him, or he'll survive and say, "See? I told you it is only a little flu."
It won't kill him, because he has conditions to go to wonderful hospitals in here, but I hope he would act like Boris Johnson after COVID, but it's almost impossible.
The question is if even the best hospital can save him in a severe case. Correct me if I'm wrong, but he doesn't seem to be having the healthiest of lifestyles.
I don't know if Brazil has them, but there's machines called ECMO. They're basically the next level beyond ventilators. Instead of helping put more oxygen into your lungs and making your body do the rest of the work, they put oxygen directly into your bloodstream and pump the blood around for you. They're in way shorter supply than ventilators though. When he was released, the nurses and doctors he thanked included ECMO specialists. I have no idea whether or not Brazil has any machines or facilities for it though.
Just to be clear, if you end up on ECMO for COVID, the chance that you survive is extremely low, and Boris Johnson was in the hospital for a week, and only 3 nights in the ICU. There is no way he was cannulated onto ECMO and then decannulated, in 3 days.
Yeah, I'm reminded of Nick Cordero, the 41-year-old Broadway star who died yesterday after a months-long battle with COVID-19 complications. He was on an ECMO back in April.
His wife's updates were heartbreaking.
Got a link?
Greater than, with my history as an athlete, if I were infected by the virus I would not have to worry. He used to be an athlete? How come his push-ups look like he's never done any before?
LMAO at the YT comment, he looked like a chicken eating feed.
Looks like a teenager losing his virginity.
In the words of Jose Mourinho, I prefer not to speak. If I speak I am in big trouble.
It is nothing.
Bolsonaro, I think I am the special one.
His middle name is Messias.
I can see this ending up worse if he recovers and go say things like, "See? Nothing to worry about."
He has poor health. I don't think he's able to pull it off if he's really infected. And if he's faking it, newspapers and Supreme Court will ask for DNA test on his coronavirus test material.
Endless money and all of the best doctors in the country watching you 24/7 can go a long way.
Best doctors can't do shit with a weak patient. What do you think that doctors save you? Negative. They always support your body that does the real job.
This video was automatically created by Reddit to speech. The article and comments in this video were selected from Reddit according to their upvotes, and any paraphrasing was performed by smmry.com, without any human intervention.